we're going to shoot a video about handling and transferring of lab animals. Today's session will be doing specifically on rats and mice. Let's first start with rats. This is the most common lab rat, which is bagged albino C. As you can see here, we'll be using female rats. If you pick up the tail and look beneath it, you can see its mammary gland indicating that it's a female. For younger rats, the glands won't be as obvious, so you have to refer to the distance between its anus and genital parts. Longer length indicates that it's a female. When you wish to transfer the rat in short distance, for example, moving the rat from inside to outside of the cage, grab the base of the tail is more than enough. Don't grab the end of the tail because it will be easily snapped. Moving on to transfer the rat for long distance, place the rat under your armpit and secure it accordingly. Make sure it is not too loose or too tight. This is to ensure the safety and comfortability of the rat. Now we're ready to move. We're done with transferring. Let's move on to rats handling. You have to bear in mind that you have to handle the lab animal firmly but gently. There are two methods to handle the rat. The first one is called the one-hand method. This is usually used when you have to handle the rat alone. There are two ways to handle with the one-hand method. The first one would be by using your dominant hand to grab the scarf with your thumb, index, and middle fingers. Use the other hand to hold the tail. The best way to indicate your grabbing is firm is you have to touch its cheek. If the head is able to move, your grabbing is not firm enough. When you're sure that your grabbing is firm enough, put the tail in between your little and ring finger. That's it for the one-hand method. Second way to use the one-hand method is by using your dominant hand and place it around the neck with your thumb and index finger at the side of its legs, and when you pick it up, make sure the legs are crossed. Alright. The second method is a two-hand method. This method is usually done when you have your partner to help you with the procedure. First, use your dominant hand to grab the scarf and the other hand to hold the tail. Then, your partner will proceed with the procedure. It is usually used for injections.
Now, we proceed with how to handle and transfer the mice. For mice, there is only one hand method as the mice is very small compared to the rat. By using your dominant hand, place the tail of the mice in between your ring and little finger to restrict its movement. Then, use your thumb, index, and middle finger to grab the scarf. Make sure it's tight. Use your other hand to touch its cheek. If the head is able to move, it shows that the handling is not firm enough. You have to make sure that you handle the mice firm but gentle. And how to transfer the mice. When you wish to transfer the mice in short distance, for example, moving the mice from inside to outside of the cage, grabbing the base of the tail is more than enough. Don't grab the end of the tail because it will easily snap. For long distance of transferring the mice, the method used is cupping. Place the mice on your palm. Use the other hand to cover the mice and make sure there is small hole for the mice to breathe. Okay, so that's the end for our